Here at Paramount Tool, we serve a lot of different industries, primarily automotive customers, but we do get into the ag, medical, and as well as food and bev.
We really build just about anything anybody is coming at us with. Basically, we start with the design, with any need that anybody is wanting, and then we make it happen from design to fab to assembly.
We machine everything here in-house, and then we assemble it till it's a complete machine and functioning machine, and then make sure it functions properly.
All the machines that we build here are custom machines. Whatever a customer needs, we'll build it. It could be a simple thing from a screwdriver to a machine with multiple presses and drills.
We do a lot of work with Allen Bradley, Bimba pneumatic cylinders, Yaskawa, Fanuc, and ABB welding robots.
It is challenging sometimes, and I like the challenge. I get to think my way through the process versus doing a brainless job.
I love the challenge. Definitely wouldn't be in this industry if there wasn't a challenge.
The people I work with is truly kind of why I'm still here. We're a hardworking group. We're not a huge company, so we're pretty tight-knit.
We're a little bit wild as a team, but we get our job done.
It's almost like a brotherhood. A lot of our employees here, they not only hang out after work, but they're all golfing together, they're out fishing together.
If I'm working on a machine, I'm building something, I'm confident that I can hand it off to another builder and have that builder just keep doing the same quality of work that I had put into it.
Usually any problem that we come upon, sometimes it does take a little bit longer than others, but we do end up getting that end result every time.
There's a very strong sense of pride in all of the builds that we do here at Paramount. Each and every one of our builders and controls, electrical design, all the way till installing the equipment, there's just a sense of pride in saying, yeah, we want this equipment to be the best that it absolutely can be, and to do everything we can to ensure that along the way.
The machines, when we build them, I like to make sure that they look good. They don't just work, but they also look good. They're appealing to the eye.
Feels really good to have a customer recognize the little things that you do, especially like the way you route your cables, or that your cables aren't crossing, or your zip ties are facing the right way.
Feel free to open up any of our panels around the globe and see attention to detail. We have not only that, our drawing packages, our controls drawing. I think everyone will be pleased with it.
At Paramount, anything that I want to learn, I'm given the opportunity to learn. I get to do all aspects of the job. I get to do some designing. I could do mill work, lathe work, building, hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical.
There's always room for you to grow. There's never a top out at Paramount.
I would encourage anyone to get into the automation sector. It's really a growing business, and there's a lot of job availability. It means a lot to me and everyone else that Paramount is willing to, go the extra mile for their employees and help not only build us as individuals, but also help build the company and people around us.